Hello! Today we're going to be looking at the IPA. Not the beer, we're going to be looking at the International Phonetic Alphabet. And more specifically, how the phonemes, how the individual sounds in words are pronounced with a standard Southern British English pronunciation.
You're watching
Real English
with
Real Teachers.
Real Teachers.
So we're going to be looking at vowel sounds like oo, e, ow, and we're going to look at consonant sounds like t, p, k, and at the end of the lesson I'm going to give you some homework so that you can check your understanding of these phonemes. I also just want to mention, after we have done the vowels and before we begin the consonants, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the sponsor of this video. But without further ado, let's get going with the vowel sounds. Before you start, have a little drink of water. It might also be helpful for you to have a little mirror to hand so that you can check that you're using the same mouth shape as me. Let's go. Cup, luck, cup, luck, arm, father, arm, father, black, cat, black, cat, met, bed, met, bed, away, cinema, away, cinema, turn, learn, turn, learn, hit, sitting, hit, sitting, see, heat, see, heat, hot, rock, hot, rock, boring, floor, boring, floor, put, could, put, could, blue, food, blue, food, five, five, ow, now, out, ow, now, out, say, eight, say, eight, go, home, go, home, oi, boy, join, oi, boy, join, air, where, hair, air, where, hair. Or a more modern contemporary phoneme would just be like this with a monophthong. Air, where, hair, air, where, hair. But either of those are fine. Ear, near, here, ear, near, here. Or, again, with a more modern contemporary pronunciation, you might say ear, near, here, ear, near, here, pure, tourist, pure, tourist, And again, with a more modern contemporary pronunciation, we probably change OUR to OR. So we have OR, pure, tourist. OR, pure, tourist. There we go. So that's all of the vowel sounds. Do you recognize them? Do you use them already? Do they differ to the vowels in your own language? So we're going to go on to the consonant sounds, but before that, let's have a little sip of water. Lovely. And as I promised, I'm going to tell you very briefly about the wonderful sponsor of this video, which is the mobile application, or app if you live in the 21st century, called Cambly. So Cambly is a mobile app for English learners like you who want to connect with native English teachers of the language. And one of the truly incredible things about this app is that it allows you to connect with teachers, with qualified teachers, instantly. So you don't need to book lessons ahead of time. You can just use any free time that you have at any moment, go on there and see which teachers are online and connect with a native speaking teacher of English. So it really could not be any more convenient than that, could it? So if you want to give Cambly a go, the link is in the description box. You can download the app. And Cambly have said, as one of our fans, you can use our discount code REALTEACHERS10 to get up to 33% discount on their payment plans. So you could be saving a third there. I will leave more details about that in the description box, but let's get going with the consonant sounds. Again, grab your mirror, have a sip of water, and repeat after me. B, bad, lab. B, bad, lab. D, did, lady. D, did, lady. F, find, if. F, find, if. G, give, flag. G, give, flag. How, hello. How, hello. Y, yes, yellow. Y, yes, yellow. K, cat, black. K, cat, black. L, leg, little. L, leg, little. M, man, lemon. M, man, lemon. N, no, 10. N, no, 10. Ng, sing, finger. Ng, sing, finger. P, pet, map. P, pet, map. R, red, try. R, red, try. S, sun, miss. S, sun, miss. Sh, she, crash. Sh, she, crash. T, tea, getting. T, tea, getting. Ch, check, church. Ch, check, church. F, think, both. F, think, both. V, this, mother. V, this, mother. V, voice, 5. V, voice, 5. W, wet, window. W, wet, window. Z, zoo, lazy. Z, zoo, lazy. J, pleasure, vision. J, pleasure, vision. J, just, large. J, just, large. So there you go. That's all the sounds. That's all of them. Well done. Now it's time for your homework. Now your first task, I would like you to translate this sentence from phonemic script to normal letters and words. So what does this sentence say when translated into normal English words? That's your first one. Number 2, I want you to tell me which vowel sounds are in the following words. Bruise, shower, home, butter, electric, muesli. And number 3, I want you to tell me which consonant sounds are in the following words. Binoculars, aching, Knowitall, breakage, psychology. So there you go. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. I hope you found it useful, whether you are an actor, an English learner, a singer, or just someone who's interested in British English. Tell me in the comments what you thought of the video. Give me a like if you liked it. And finally, subscribe if you like this channel. Oh, and one more thing. Remember to go and check out Cambly and also look on their website because they have lots of free resources for English learners on there. That's all for today. See you in the next video.